Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make electronic music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with making electronic music. There are two ways we can do this guys. The first one is to go ahead and select an already pre-made loop and audio by Apple that we can find right here in the live loops section at the top of the screen. So in the live loop section we have multiple options we can choose from. We have EDM, we have electro funk, we have beat masher and so on, all the options right here that can help us get started. So I'm going to go ahead and select EDM right here. Let's say we are going to open it up. It's going to open up this new menu of instruments where we can see how it sounds. We can see all the instruments that have been played, we can add effects to them, we can add anything we might want to use, delete any instrument that we do not want, and so on. This is one of the ways to get started. If you do not want to get started from scratch, you want to use something pre-made, so you can just edit upon it. But guys, if you want to get started with creating it from zero, creating your own electronic music, you can go back to your tracks right here and we can get started. So basically guys, you can get started with adding all the instruments you need, and obviously the main instrument of electronic music is the keyboard. So here you can get started with the keyboard. What you can do is open up the keyboard, and it's going to open up this new recording menu right here. As you can see at the top of the screen, we have the big red circle that's going to enable you to start recording, and you can get started playing your music. You can select multiple different notes, you can use whatever you want, and after you're finished with your recording, you can go right here into the upper left corner, click on the recording menu, and it's going to open up this new recording menu, edit menu, where you can find all the tracks you have. And here is our keyboard that we have played, so we can add as many instruments as we want, we can edit them. As you can see, after clicking on the track, we have the edit option to add anything else we might need, add our effects. Our effects are right here at the top of the screen under the sliders button. As you can see, it's going to open up the plugins and equalizer, master effects, and so on, everything we need to get started making our electronic music. So you want to go ahead and play around with it, add your keyboard, drums, and so on until you get your desired song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.